A small component can make a big difference when it comes to engine reliability, and a failing expansion plug is a problem no vehicle owner should ignore. Coolant leaks, corrosion, or missing plugs can quickly lead to overheating and costly engine damage. This direct replacement engine expansion plug is designed to restore confidence by matching the fit and function of the factory part on specified vehicles. Engineered as an ideal solution for worn, corroded, or missing original plugs, this replacement is manufactured from quality materials to ensure long service life and dependable sealing performance. Precision construction allows it to install securely and perform exactly as intended, helping maintain proper coolant circulation and protecting vital engine components under demanding conditions. Durability is a key advantage. Built to withstand temperature fluctuations, pressure changes, and long-term exposure to coolant, this expansion plug delivers reliable performance you can count on whether you are performing routine maintenance or addressing an unexpected failure. Backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience, it offers trustworthy quality at an excellent value. Vehicle owners appreciate the cost-effectiveness, especially when multiple plugs are included, making it easier and more economical to complete a full repair or keep spares on hand. Proper fitment is essential, so using the garage tool to confirm compatibility with your exact make, model, and trim level helps ensure a smooth installation. If you are looking for a practical, affordable way to restore your engine's integrity and prevent future coolant leaks, this engine expansion plug is a smart choice. Check the link in the video description to confirm fitment and purchase today, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more reliable automotive parts and maintenance solutions to keep your vehicle running at its best.